today I am hosting the baking workshop, except we're not even really baking. We're cheating. That's okay though. We're gonna make donut holes, and it's going to be a whole lots of fun, and you do not want to miss out.
Oh. Dang, is this the updated version? It looks so weird. Should I call her Sarah? No. Okay. A little bit. I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna guess this one. Isn't there only two? Stop! I mean, I don't think it will like melt, but like, if it hasn't already, then yeah. Oh my god. It's hot! Where's
Hey!
Oh,
What happened?
hi.
Are you guys okay?
Heat and plastic.
The house. It's home. Yes. So hot.
In a pro.
Oh wow, yours are so perfect and mine are like lumpy.
Is it called?
Okay. Check it out. I tried making Mickey Mouse.
Wow.
Because Jenny.
My 8th grade. I'm going to teach you how to make a glaze. There's no real measurements to this. Honestly, it's just you gotta look at it.
Just love
You just gotta look at it. So you put some of this in there.
I just want to put my face
powdered sugar?
Yes, powdered sugar, and you can use water, but I'm using milk right now because we have milk and it'll taste better.
Yay!
So,
Yay.
Thanks, Diana. Thanks for your contribution.
and then like don't drown it or anything. Just put a little bit, like do a little bit at a time, and then if it gets too thick, then add some.
Oh God, sorry. Did I cough on it? No, I didn't.
Here, I made a mess.
Is that okay? Just take it off.
And then you just keep adding little by little.
Like the oil.
Can I put more? Can I mix it?
Hello. My workshop was fun. I enjoyed it. Also, I got to have donuts. Yay! So, I'm trying to decide if I should buy, or I am going to buy, an external microphone so you don't hear the clicking noise with the autofocus in my camera. Eventually I will buy a new camera, but for now I will save up and just use this and then buy or use an external microphone. And I think I'll continue to use the external microphone for like challenge videos and things like that, sit down talk videos, and just anytime I sit down. And I think even for stuff like this, I will sit down and talk and use the external microphone, even with my new camera. Do you like my lip color though? I like it. It's NYX Matte Lip Cream in the color Sand Polo, I think it is. Let me find it. Yes. Hello. I put lashes on because I want to practice putting lashes on. So I put them on just right now. Good job, me. I'm not even going anywhere, but here they are on my face. I decided not to get a mic at all. Or I still might. I don't know. Oh, man. Because the clicking noise. I hate the clicking noise. But I don't want to spend the money to get a mic. Okay, vlogging from my phone now because I'm importing footage to... Excuse me. Oh, my gosh. I'm importing footage to my... What is this? Laptop. My laptop. So, I asked Beha, shout out to Beha for answering my question, and yeah.
But I asked her if like she finds the clicking noise annoying, assuming that she watches my vlog still. If she finds it annoying or distracting, or if she'd find it beneficial, or if she thinks that it would be beneficial for me to get a microphone so that the clicking noise isn't there. And she said that it's not that distracting. Like, she notices obviously when I'm in my room, but it's not a big deal. So judging off of that, I'm not going to buy a mic because her and probably only like 2 other people watch my vlogs. So I think if she doesn't care, then probably no one else does. Also, I need to get my forehead all the way because then it just looks like I got a big forehead that I'm trying to cover up. But I am trying to cover up my big forehead. So unflattering angles. I have a weird face shape. It's very like, because my forehead like sticks out, and then like my cheekbones kind of stick out, and then like my brow bone sticks out, but it's not like in a nice way, like when you see people who contour and highlight. Like, I don't know. I don't know, because like my face just feels like super oval and oblong. So, unflattering angles. This is why I don't take a lot of selfies, because I can't find good angle to take a selfie at. So, self-conscious thought of the day. Good morning. It is about 10:45-ish. Yep, I just took a midterm. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but there were still some questions where I was like, nope, don't even know. And now I'm gonna take a nap. I took a nap yesterday from 4 to 7, I think. Yeah, it was great. It's my first nap in like 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna take another nap. And then after I nap, I gotta work on my essay for education. It shouldn't take too long because I drafted like the bulk of it. I just need to draft one more part and then actually write like my conclusion thing. But yeah, that's it. That's my plan for the day. I got a package in the mail. I put my tweezers in a specific drawer on my makeup area thing over there, and I put them in a different drawer one day, and I thought that I lost them, and I didn't think to look in the drawer that I actually put them in. I was only looking like on the actual dresser and in the drawer I was supposed to be, so I didn't know that I was in the wrong drawer. So I thought I lost them. I ordered a new set of tweezers. They just came in earlier today, so now I have a new set of tweezers. And then Sephora gives you a birthday gift every year when you order something or when you buy something on your birthday month. So I have these now, so yay, I guess. And then I also have eyelashes coming in from another site. Should be coming in next week. Hopefully they come in next week because they just shipped today, and I ordered them I think on Tuesday, so I hope they come in next week. Hello. So I was just on YouTube, and someone who makes videos on YouTube said that you can use voice memo on the iPhone as like an audio recorder, which makes sense because it is an audio recorder, but she said that the audio quality is excellent. So I'm gonna see if Final Cut Pro will sync it up correctly, because the sound waves from this camera picks up, so I don't know if it'll sync up and be okay, but just a test. If it does, you won't hear clicking noise in this clip. Hello, we are testing the voice memo thing again. I just showed Justine the clip that I edited.
I'm amazed.
It's so amazing. I love it. I'm so excited that it works because now, as you saw in the little text insert that I put, there's going to be lots of things coming. So a couple videos will be filmed probably tomorrow and Saturday maybe. So I'm excited.
You're
Talk.
excited. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. I'm very proud of you that you.
I didn't impulse buy a recorder because I was about ready to spend $100. I really was.
We spent like 30 minutes trying to find like a good one.
We really did. So I'm glad that I didn't impulse buy anything. And we have this now. Good afternoon. So right now okay, I'm gonna start over. Good afternoon. I just got back like half an hour ago from HSL one-day training. So the students are gonna be coming to UCI and we're gonna give them a tour and everything like that. And so we just had some like guidelines to go over and things like that. And then earlier was of course HSO. Now Diana invited me to go with her, Rosie, and Rosalie to the Habit. So I'm gonna get onion rings. Last night I had curly fries. Justine and I went to Jack in the Box to get curly fries, and then we also went to Albertsons to get bacon, but now I'm going to get onion rings. So yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day. And then I might take a nap later. Been loving naps lately. Yep. And then my parents are coming tomorrow. So yeah. I think we're gonna go eat at the Anaheim Packing District because my mom really wants to go, I believe. And then I think we're also gonna go to Long Beach and visit some family. So that should be really fun. And then I also told my mom to tell my brother to come because I miss him. I miss bothering him and annoying him. So yeah, that's my plan for this weekend, I guess. Oh, and then I'm also gonna film a couple of videos, probably Sunday. So be prepared to see those when they are filmed and edited. I just got back from eating at the Habit. I went with Diana, Rosalie, and Rosie. I think I said that already. Pretty sure I did. But I got sweet potato fries and onion rings, so those were really good. Now I'm going to take a nap because why not, right? And then maybe I'll do like online window shopping where I look up stuff that I like and that I want, put it in the cart, and then exit the tab. Because that's what you do when you want things but can't buy them. Okay, good night. I hope y'all like this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to click this box to watch my last video. Subscribe to my channel and tell your friends too so you can spend your Sundays at YALL. Bye!